It's early morning Saturday. We've been up most of the night.
We're grumpy.
We stayed up really late getting everything ready, so we're tired.
I'm so grumpy this morning.
There are days when you think, I'm not doing this today.
I'm not doing this today. How many times? Oh, I said that so many times this morning. I ain't doing this no more.
And so we're gonna go and get this done.
The bad part, it was the difference between waking up at 3:30 in the morning or 4. What's wrong with us?
Yeah.
What's wrong with us?
Alarm went off. I thought I woke him up, but I didn't. So
I just meant, what is
we didn't
wrong
get up
with
till
us?
4. So.
I mean, damn.
But we're on time. So hey.
Yeah, but we're still getting up at 3:30 in the morning.
Yeah, we have to get everything, and then we work till about 11 at night. So getting everything ready, but that's what it takes to get it done, and we're gonna get it done.
It'll be fun. We'll have a good one.
Let's have a great market.
Best market ever.
I'm Holly.
Drew here.
I'm Jerry.
Well, we are set up at the market. It's probably not going to be a very busy day. We have a lot of rain in the forecast, but there is quite a few vendors, maybe about, not as many as usual, probably about a fourth of them. But we're here, we're doing it, and here's the booth. So hope you guys like it. Okay, so we sold out of fudge completely, and we sold out of almost all the bouquets. I think we came back with 3, and we sold out of all the spinach, sold 3/4 of the onions, and 3/4 of the beets. So we did really well, and we sold some hanging baskets, of course, as usual. So we did really well at the market this week, and that's it. That's what we did.
We're cool.
Okay, we just got back from the market, and does it stop, Drew?
It's a good market, and after a good market, you got a good cleanup. I don't know. No, it don't stop.
I'm tired. I'm trying to get him to let me take a break.
We're almost done.
We are almost done.
Here, I'll give you a free water.
But I'm tired.
All the water you can drink here at Cherish Farms.
But we had a great market, and just so you know that, yeah, once you get back, you got to clean everything up. So that's what we're doing. Jerry, what are you doing?
Just trying to help unload from the market that I missed. 4 a.m. was a little rough on this guy.
Get all this to unload. Okay. All back to where it belongs. Everything in its place. So, was it fun?
It was a very good market for them.
Was it fun though unloading?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, it's always
I love
fun.
unloading.
We got a lot of water last night. Yeah, we gotta drain. We gotta drain more than once today. Because
I think we took all the
all but a few of them. Because this is gonna leach down after I drain this. We're gonna have more.
How does it feel to be out here the day after market doing market stuff? I mean,
it
doing farm
always
stuff.
feels good to do what you love. And right now, I would love to be just watching some TV.
Okay.
Look at down inside that tomato right there. That tomato plant.
Oh, I see her.
She's got tomatoes.
Yay!
Oh, we got tomatoes. Oh, we do here too.
Tomatoes! Tomatoes are here! Yay!
Look at these.
I've been waiting. We got cucumbers, but we hadn't had tomatoes. Tomatoes!
Tomatoes here. You see what that is?
I know, right?
That's a bug.
I know.
That's
What
a
is
bug.
it?
It's hiding right now.
not
It
a
looks
bug,
like
is it?
that's a bug.
Woo!
That's a
I don't know what it
caterpillar. Yes, it is.
No, it don't. It's just heavy. It's still draining.
Yeah, they'll leach all day. That's why I have to remember to drain all day. Because they'll just keep leaching out of that soil.
And these were just drained. It's crazy. Oh, it's that one.
Oh. So
We came up to the field. Don't judge it. We need to mow. But this is what it's looking like. So it looks really pretty. And they are growing like crazy, the Cosmos. That's Cosmos. This is Cosmos. I'm not sure if the camera gets where my finger is. I haven't figured that one out yet. But, and these are celosia. There's dill, which is right here in the front. Basil right here. These were just some extras that I had, and so I put those in. I am not sure what these are. I forgot to label them. So if someone wants to help me, that's them. So this is Gafrina. Gafrina right here. Show you it up close. So these are Gafrinas. Really pretty. Let me see if you can get them. Oh yeah, they're pretty. And then there's orange. Let me see if I can get them. You won't get all this great footage of your stuff once the season starts.
Oh yeah, they're small. They're beautiful. Your zinnias are tripled up over here, by the way.
Darker orange here. It's a really pretty one. Don't know if you can really get the gist of it. These are bright lights. Those are bright lights Cosmos. So they're beautiful. They could definitely make a bouquet today. Yeah, since I pruned my zinnias, this is what they did after pruning them. So if you look back in the video when I'm pruning them, they are little. I'll show you one that just got pruned, and then I'll show you what happens within 3 days of being pruned. This is what they look like before they get pruned. See, I need to take this top off right here. So I go down past these. I do the first 4, these tiny ones and this one on the side, and I cut right here. And the next couple of days, they'll turn into this in just a few days. These are pruned. And I can go back and cut these off as well and get even more. So they will be ginormous soon.
Every day.
So the sunflowers, a neat fact, they follow the sun. So we're in the morning and we're having morning sunrise, and here they are facing the sun. And throughout the day they will follow the sun, and this evening they will be facing the evening sun. So it is something to see, and I'm hoping to get a time lapse on that eventually because it is beautiful.
Look at this.
They are beautiful.
Let's
Look,
show that right
let me
there.
show.
That's the beginning of it.
There
She's
comes a bud.
gorgeous, gorgeous. Field looks great.
Here comes one.
Look at this one. Look.
Here comes one.
It's Mama Kitty. Look at that one.
Look at that one. Those pruning, I'm not sure on. I've never pruned them. I just let them grow. So something to learn, I guess. Always learning something. Beautiful though.
Looping over. And
If
they've
you
been-
see the difference here in the leaf pattern, these are the leaf pattern of the watermelon beefsteak and then a beefsteak, and just the difference. Their total difference between these tomato plants, regular tomato plants, or what I consider regular, to these. You can just see the difference there, but I'm excited to see what these put forth.
And there's a bunch of guys out there like me that absolutely like to look at the roots. This one you can tell has quite a few, and it has to be put in soon because you
Yes,
can
we're
see.
doing it this
I
weekend.
mean, look at that. But no real difference in the roots between these two different varieties of tomatoes. But I think it's super cool to look at them and see what we've produced when we, it's a great way. It doesn't hurt if you're kind of soft with them. They'll be fun.
Do you like being soft with them?
I like being soft with you. I like to be a little rough when no one's looking. I like to go like this. Will you just give me a tomato? I'm sorry.
Gotta go get Big Mama. She's around here somewhere. Gotta find her. Cool. Usually doesn't start with her. So I was so impressed by how easy it was. We had days of rain, so I was kind of scared it was gonna be too muddy, but it was just right, and it just like really plowed through it real easy, and probably the easiest plowing I've ever done. Happy about that. Well, who knows what it is. This is a volunteer plant, and it's from where there was all kinds of stuff in this bed, and I already think I see the bug on it. So that's what wiped this whole crop out. That's why nothing's planted here, and that's why we have a volunteer, because we're not planting nothing here. And anyways, we don't know what that is, so who knows? We'll see. Time will tell. Yay, we had enough fabric. Just enough, but enough.
Very awkward. I don't know.
And the tomatoes are in, man. So I'm eating my first cucumber of the year. And if it's any indication of what the year is to bring, here's to cucumbers. It is delicious. Yay, meat! I get some successes. I don't know if I could actually claim cucumber success for cucumbers, because I've always been able to grow cucumbers. Cucumbers taste nothing like you buy in the stores whatsoever. So I don't even buy cucumbers from the store. I wait. So this is absolutely a treat. Okay. Okay, so I did the rest of the peppers today. I've already done these, and they're twice as big as those. So they just got done. Cut all the flowers off and all the buds. So then this is the squash that we put in. And it's already growing. It's squash for you. It's gonna go with like madness. And you won't be able to keep up with it. I think I might call it a day. So, hey, thanks for watching, you guys. Hope to see you next time here on the farm.